that's it. That's my new mower deck. Yeah. It's a little big. It's a little big for the tractor. But I think I might have to go back in the barn. There's a major storm coming. You know? I'm gonna have to get out of here. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting ready to rain. And I am going to get my camera wet if I don't get this back in the barn. It's looking good, huh? Oh, that's a lucky. Okay. Next thing I gotta do. Stop the mower deck. Lift it a little bit. Oh man, I made it. Okay. Woo. Now I gotta run up to the house before I get soaking wet. All right. It's so dark. It's gonna rain like hell, man. It's gonna really come down, I think. So I'm gonna sneak out of here before the rain gets here. God, is it dark? And it is only, starting to rain. Didn't get it cut. Got this cut. Didn't get that cut. That's why I got a stock cut. Right there. Okay, I got my hand over my camera so that I don't get rain in it. Should be coming from over there. Right there. Gonna be here.